Ndewo,
No,
Ahambu Divine.
rejoice.
And today we're going to be going over some of the words and sentences that we've learned from our POH Beginners Igbo class. So we're going to be having a conversation in the Igbo language. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ndewo.
Ndewo.
Onye ebe ka Igbo.
I'm from a number of states.
Nice. Ichoro ba egwu.
Mba, achụrụ egwu akwụkwọ.
Good.
Achụrụ iri ụtụtụ.
Rie emecha.
Okay.
So, this is the conversation we've had in Igbo. I came to her and said, Onye ebe ka Igbo, which means, where are you from? And she said that she's from Anambra State. Then I asked her, do you want to dance? I said, Ichurum, Igba Egwu, which means, do you want to dance? She said, Mba. She said, Achurum, Igu Akwukwo, which means, no, I want to read a book. Then she said, sorry. Then she said that she wants to eat breakfast. She said, Ashram iri uri ututu. And I said, Rie emecha, which means eat later. So that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Kemesia.
Bye.
Goodbye.